Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, June 29th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile SPY WMN Triple Qs. So today was kind of a replay that we had Monday, except on the reverse side, right? Monday we had Friday we had the huge up day. Then Monday we consolidated inside of it, right? Here it is. So here's Friday's big up day. We consolidated Monday. I said that's pretty bullish for the bulls. Tuesday, we gap open high. So here we go. And then zoop, gave it all back yesterday. So now the question is, today was the opposite. Sellers controlled the day. They made a new low. They filled the gap. To me, the daily is down. We couldn't even get into the middle distribution or fill the first set of single prints. We got into them, but didn't fill them, so we have 5 sets still. So just like I thought the bulls had a great chance on Tuesday, yesterday, to get going higher, I still feel the bears also have a chance. Remember, below today's low, you know what they held beautifully was the price probe. They never even got it from the 23rd. If they get below that, there's a price vacuum. But there's a couple of concerning things. First and foremost, is the volume. 64 million right now. Yesterday was 86 million with 5 sets of single prints. But also, today is the third lowest range of the year. This is an amazing stat. We're almost 6 full months into the trading year. One more day. We've only had 4 days in SPY under $4 this year. 2 of them have been this week, today and Monday. Sandwich in between. We had a $12.50 range yesterday. So we said the ranges and volume are going to contract. That's why yesterday's action absolutely stunned me how much they did yesterday. But again, you got to really respect short-term traders. You know another thing we didn't do today? We didn't take out the initial balance high or low, which is the first hour of trading, high or low. That happens less than 3% of the time. That's 5 trading days a year it happens basically on that with that percentage. Well, today's one of them. So no doubt range and volume contracted, obviously. The question is, if this is just short-term sellers getting out and shorts piling in, if they lose interest, we might take this all back over the next couple of days. Who knows? We'll see. Tomorrow's the last day of the quarter. Again, are they going to have any urgency to try to dress this quarter up? We were looking today in the trading room. Every sector was down this quarter, even energy. Energy's up 30-something% for the year, but this quarter it's down like 3%, I think it was. So there's no silver lining to this quarter, so there's nothing to dress up tomorrow. So we'll see if they do it or not. I did not trade much today, but I had an incredible A period. I shorted it 4 times. I used 4 different price points, price strikes. I did the 378s, 380, 381, 382s. And the 382s were basically at A's high against K&L's high yesterday, 125 contracts that paid very nicely as the market just reversed and went back below the opening. So I had a great day in one time frame. I missed the short in B. Nobody's fault but my own. Even though we one time framed up, I should have started a small short inside of the singles or would have added to see if we get rejected out of the middle distribution. So I missed that. C period, I got too picky because you know me, or those of you who watch these videos on a regular basis know I like to fade the extreme and not the edge. Well, if you faded the edge in C, you did very well because 2 or 3 times I got up there and never took out B's high. Didn't do it. Then I didn't do anything to G. I thought G was going to finally take out the IB low, so I jumped on the short. Didn't happen. Started going back up. Once it got above D's low, I took it off. I said, forget it. I'm not going to play that game. So I lost on that trade. Nothing big, but I lost. H period. Same thing. I thought we were going to take out the low. However, what I did, it wasn't at H's low. It was more when H took out G's high and then came right back in. I did it then. And I took it off as we got down towards G's low because I thought they might play the games again. So I did okay on that one. Actually did well on that one. It was like a 30 lot. And then in J period, Now, again, I could use J's in the afternoon rally high. I'm not. I just think it's too close to the day's high by about 50 cents. I mean, I could use it. I'm not going to, though. I'm not going to carry that forward. I took a short above eyes high, at value high, some right around the opening, and then it shot above the opening and took them off. So I lost on that one. So believe it or not, I had a great A period, and believe me, I didn't give that back. But then I lost on 2 out of the next 3 trades, actually. And they were all on shorts. I did not look for a long today. I would have looked for a long if we took out the IB's low. If we had taken out the day's low, tested the price probe, and tape it off, I would have taken a long back into the day's range. But it never happened. So it was a good day. I can tell you that much because of A period. But I hate these type of days, the way they play games, the way they do. As far as destinations, we'll use the POC is on the upside for now, so we'll see if we open below it. 380.35. Let me just make sure. They had us closing 380.20. Oh, look at that. They redid it. 380.34 is our close. So we closed a penny below POC, so whatever. Upside, downside, it's still there. 380.35. Then we have today's high, 382.27. And then the single prints, they started 382.23, get filled at 53 now from yesterday because we took some of them away, and you should have everything else from yesterday. For the downside, we have today's low, 378.42. Then we have 378.20, price probe from the 23rd of June. And then we have 372.89, daily low. So there's your price void. And then, quickly before I get to the charts, Russell ended 12 out of 13, nice B shape. Russell never even, remember Russell only had a double distribution. They spent most of the day below yesterday's low at lower value. Triple Qs actually took back J singles, but got rejected out of the upper distribution and never saw it again. They end 11 wide, not 12. They never got to, one of them missed by 2 cents. G missed E's low by 2 cents. So 11 wide for them, 12 for Russell, 11 for us. And then just quickly on the chart. So again, I'm just going to show you the daily. We came out of a 3-day balance and an outside day down. I know we closed inside of actually we didn't close inside of yesterday's range, we closed below it. So the daily to me is now down. If we take out today's high, it'll go back to balance. If we take out today's low, it continues down, and we see if we get the price vacuum down to the 23rd's low. Again, Algo the Alligator is selling, got about 60 copies sold. Go check it out on Amazon, Algo the Alligator. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this channel. Again, very informational day today, even though it was slow. We did a lot of talking on what the market's attempting to do and what we're looking for it to do going forward. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening.